गुड मॉर्निंग स्टूडेंट्स। एक बार फिर मैं आपके लिए एक नई वीडियो लेकर आया हूँ। क्लास 9 बिहाइव सेकेंड चैप्टर एंड सेकेंड पार्ट। द सेकेंड चैप्टर द साउंड ऑफ द म्यूजिक। फर्स्ट पार्ट बिलोंग्स टू द ग्रेट म्यूजिशियन that is Evelyn Granny, and the next Ustad Bismillah Khan. He belongs to a poor family of Banaras. He was mastered in Shehnai playing, and he made this name a very popular. Even every single person become familiar of this instrument. It is because of Bismillah Khan. He has proved that economical crisis, lack of facilities, or any type of physical or economical problem can never stop the people who wants to success. He also teaches that if we want to success, we should determinative, we should dedicative, we should keep faith, we should learn to work without friction and without any obstacle. According to this chapter and after studying the life of Bismillah Khan, we can conclude that the success will come you if you determined and devote yourself in the work that you take in hand. Ustad Bismillah Khan belongs a very poor family. Even his parents couldn't afford to send him in a music school, but he had great curious to learn how to play Shehnai. Most of the time he used to play in the temple, in the function of a temple, and slowly he became an expert to play music on Shehnai. It is a very simple instrument, but nothing is simple. You will make all the things simple by your hard work, your determination, your dedication, and your skill and talent. The same thing happened with the Ustad Bismillah Khan. And when he was mastered in playing Shehnai, he was asked to play many parts of this country, and many awards given to him. And when his name and fame spread out, he was asked to play for the music academy and also for the telecast. and not only in India, his name flighted out to the other countries, and many concerts he attained in the foreign countries, in the abroad. Once he was asked to settle in America because he was a great personality and a well-known figure. That is why he was asked to settle there. But he was a true patriot of India. He rejected this offer and came back to his own country. He was also performed in film industry, but he did not like the way of life of film industry, and after some time he left film industry and came to his own native land, Banaras. And here he used to play all the things. He used to play his own Sahnai and became so much popular. And he became such a great personality that the Indian government gave him the highest civilian award, Bharat Ratna, in 2001. This single award tells the greatness of this person, because this is not easy to win. But if such a poor people can win the highest civilian award of a country, why not we? Why not we can? We can. But we have to do some extraordinary work. Understood? Thank you.